if I want, I can even store this entire collection.
Okay.
How do you think I do that?
You want to do it in a variable.
That's good. Cool. All right. So the pattern for assigning data to a variable is what?
What do you mean, what?
Well, like if I want to assign this to be players, let's say I want to store this list in a mailbox called players.
Right.
How do I do that?
Write the word players.
Then what?
And then quote.
No, the quote is really only for the string.
Oh.
Right? And we already have our data right here.
Oh.
So,
okay. So let's do players. Players underscore. Oh, and return shift.
Oh, give it a shot.
Okay. Players. Oh, I have to go in that bar, right? Or I have to do it this way.
Players.
Yes.
So you didn't finish typing the word.
Players.
There you go.
No space, so you do underscore. Right?
Okay, keep going.
Players underscore. Now can I do return shift?
All right.
Return shift. I shift return. Of course. Error.
Okay, so lots of times what we want to do is we've done, you said you wanted to assign this to a variable.
Yes.
Let's look back at when we previously assigned things to a variable. What do we do? So right here, we're assigning something to a variable. And here, we're also assigning something to a variable.
Right.
So the pattern is what?
I wrote the word, and I wrote equal. Didn't I write equal?
So you have variable name, equal sign,
Yes. Did I do equal?
data. Let's see what we have here.
I didn't do equal.
Yeah.
That was the whole problem?
Mm-hmm.
Aw. Okay. Let's do it again. Well, get rid of this.
Well, you can just click at the point you want to.
Equal. There we go. Shift return.
Now, if you want to check your work,
Check my work.
what should you type in?
Shift return. What do you mean? What do you want to type?
Well, do you see anything below that shows you that players actually equals this list?
No.
All right, well, how would I figure that out?
All right, players equal.
Well, you only when you want to put something in the mailbox do you do equals.
So
right?
how do I take things out of the mailbox?
You just type the name.
Type this guy Morgan?
No, you want to see what does players. I have this outside mailbox called players on it.
I got to put players again.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's the mailbox that I'm going to.
That's right.
There it is. Click on that baby. I didn't write equal.
Oh, how do you tell Python what you're doing?
Say, please Python. Players equal.
No. How do work? Yeah.
Shift return.
Shift return.
Shift
return.
return.
Okay. Cool.
Got it.
All right.
Wait a minute. I
Yeah.
think that's very important. Variable underscore name equal data. Very important. Variable underscore name equal quote data.
Well, the data could be anything, right?
I know. The
Right.
name, the number.
Exactly. Or, in this case, a list.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Okay, so we'll stop there for now. We have to do... Next, we're going to learn just how to select data specifically from this list, because this list could be super long, right? It could be all the players in the whole hockey league.